Hey there, little explorers. Welcome to a special adventure all about cleanliness and science. Get ready to discover, learn, and have fun. First, let's talk about germs, those sneaky little microbes. What do you know about germs? Little thinkers. What are germs? Germs are very tiny living things that are so small we can't see them with our eyes. There are different kinds of germs, like bacteria and viruses. Some germs are harmless, but others can make us sick. That's why it's important to wash our hands and keep things clean to avoid getting sick from harmful germs. Can you name some places where germs hide? You got it. Smart learners, germs can hide in many places. Here are a few examples. Doorknobs, people touch them a lot, and if someone has germs on their hands, they can leave them on the doorknob. Toys, especially if they're shared among friends or family members, toys can have germs on them. Bathroom surfaces, germs can be on things like faucets, toilet handles, and sink counters. Your hands, if you touch something with germs on it, the germs can stick to your hands. Remember, washing our hands and keeping our surroundings clean helps us get rid of these hidden germs and stay healthy. So, what do you think, curious explorers? Why do we need to keep our hands clean? We need to keep our hands clean because they touch many things throughout the day, like doorknobs, toys, and even our own faces. Germs, which are tiny invisible organisms, can easily stick to our hands. If we don't wash our hands, we can transfer these germs to our mouths or other people, which might make us or them sick. Keeping our hands clean helps us stay healthy. Now, here's a thought-provoking question. How do you think soap helps to get rid of germs? Think deeper, little adventurers. Soap is like a superhero for cleaning our hands. When we use soap and water, the soap goes to work on the germs, kind of like how a superhero fights the bad guys. The soap surrounds the germs and makes them fall apart, just like when you break a puzzle into pieces. This makes the germs weak and unable to stick to our hands anymore. So, when we rinse our hands with water, all those broken apart germs wash away, leaving our hands clean and safe. It's like a magic trick that soap does to help us stay healthy. Now, let's put on our detective hats. What do you think would happen if we didn't wash our hands? A. Nothing. B. Germs would throw a party. C. We might get sick. Yes, you are right. Little detectives, the answer is C. We might get sick. If you don't wash your hands, you might get sick because germs can stick to your hands, and when you touch your face or eat, the germs can get inside your body and make you not feel well. So, it's important to wash your hands to stay healthy. Alright, eco-scientists, let's explore cleanliness in our surroundings. How can we help keep our planet clean? Why is it important? Reduce, reuse, recycle. We can use things like paper, plastic, and metal again instead of throwing them away. This helps save resources and keeps trash out of our environment. Pick up trash. We can be like Earth's superheroes and pick up trash when we see it, especially in parks and nature. That way, animals and plants can stay healthy. Save energy. Turning off lights, appliances, and using less water can save energy. It's like giving the earth a big hug. Plant trees. Trees give us clean air to breathe. Planting them is like giving a gift to the earth. Use less plastic. Plastic can take a really long time to break down. We can use less of it by using reusable bags and water bottles. It is important because our planet is our home, and we want to keep it clean and safe for us, animals, and plants. When we take care of the earth, it stays healthy, and we can enjoy its beauty and all the wonderful things it gives us. Now, for a brain teaser, what should you do if you see trash on the playground? A. Jump over it. B. Pick it up and put it in the bin. C. Ignore it. Awesome, kids. Pick it up and put it in the bin. If you see trash on the playground, it's a good idea to be a helpful friend to the environment and pick it up. Putting it in the bin helps keep the playground clean and safe for everyone to enjoy. So, curious detectives, what's one thing you learned about cleanliness today that you didn't know before watching this video? Share it with your family or friends and discuss why it's important. Great job, little scientists! Remember, cleanliness is not just about staying healthy, it's also about taking care of our world. Keep exploring, asking questions, and learning. Stay curious, and we'll see you next time on our STEMtastic adventure. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more exciting content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us continue making fun and educational videos for you. Stay tuned for more adventures and learning together.